Before you invest in landing page software like Lander, there are a few key things you need to know. It's crucial to understand its features, pricing, and how it compares to other platforms, so stick around to make sure you make the right choice. Let's dive in. First off, Lander is designed for marketers who want to create high converting landing pages without a lot of technical know how. It's a user friendly platform, but how does it stack up against the competition? Next thing to consider: templates. Lander offers a range of customizable templates, but if you're looking for variety, some competitors might offer more options out of the box. If you need something unique, you'll have to rely on custom coding or external designers to really stand out. The third thing: integrations. Lander integrates with popular platforms like MailChimp, Salesforce, and Google Analytics. However, when compared to other tools, some competitors provide a broader selection of integrations out of the gate, which can be crucial if you're working with specific third-party tools. Now, let's talk about A/B testing. Lander does provide A/B testing capabilities, which is essential for optimizing your landing pages. However, if you're running multiple tests or need more advanced testing options, you might find the options limited compared to more specialized platforms. The fifth thing to know is analytics. Lander gives you the basics with conversion tracking, but other platforms often offer deeper insights, like heat maps and more detailed engagement tracking. If in-depth analytics is a priority for you, this might be something to consider. Next up, mobile responsiveness. Lander automatically optimizes landing pages for mobile, but some competitors have more advanced mobile customization features. Depending on your target audience, you might need to tweak things more than you would with a competitor. Another thing: pricing. Lander's pricing is on par with most landing page builders, but if you're running a larger business with higher traffic, you may want to compare it to other platforms that offer better value for high volume use. The eighth thing to keep in mind is customer support. Lander offers 24/7 support, but while helpful, some users report that it can be slower than other services. If you require immediate responses or frequent assistance, other platforms may be a better fit for you. Next thing: page loading speed. Lander generally provides good speed, but some competitors offer more optimized pages out of the box, which can affect your conversion rates, especially for mobile users. The 10th point: ease of use. Lander is relatively easy to use, but its interface isn't as intuitive as some of its competitors. If you're someone who values simplicity, other landing page builders might be a smoother option for you. Now, let's talk about customization. Lander gives you the flexibility to make changes, but if you need advanced customization, other tools may offer more control over design elements and code integration. The 12th and final thing is scalability. Lander works well for small to medium businesses, but if you plan on scaling up quickly, you might find its features somewhat limiting compared to platforms that cater to larger enterprises. In conclusion, Lander is a solid choice for those looking for an easy-to-use landing page tool with essential features. It's a good option for small businesses or marketers who don't need advanced functionality. However, if you're looking for a more robust, scalable solution that can grow with your business, we recommend trying out a solution that offers a broader range of features and customization options. And the best part? You can try it for free. Check out our recommended solution and see for yourself.